Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to use disappearing message feature globally on WhatsApp. So when you send message to any friend in chat, so that message will remove after a set duration. On top right you see three dots, so click on it, and then you see setting, so click on it. So we are in settings section. Now you see multiple option, and then you see privacy. So this is our privacy feature. So click on privacy. So we are in privacy section, and then you see disappearing messages, default message timer, start new chat with disappearing messages, set to your timer off. So this setting will apply globally on all WhatsApp chats. So click on it, and then you see start new chat with the disappearing message, timer set to off, 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. It's mean when you send message, and if we select 24 hours, then after 24 hours our message will be deleted auto. If we set 7 days or 90 days, so it's up to you. So this is a global feature. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.